Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Kroteaup Gaming PC Computer Desktop. The world of gaming PCs continues to evolve at a rapid pace, and this latest gaming PC desktop equipped with the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 processor is a prime example of outstanding value combined with uncompromising performance. Designed for gamers, multitaskers, and professionals alike, this system delivers the power necessary to handle demanding workloads, whether you're deep into competitive gaming, editing photos and videos, streaming high-quality content, or handling complex business and cryptocurrency-related tasks. Its versatile performance makes it suitable not only for leisure and entertainment but also for productivity and entrepreneurial endeavors. At the core of this powerful setup is the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 CPU, renowned for its excellent multitasking capabilities and efficient architecture. Paired with a Radeon RTX 2060 6GB graphics card, this gaming desktop ensures smooth and immersive gameplay. Modern and popular titles such as Fortnite, Call of Duty Warzone, GTA 5, Apex Legends, World of Warcraft, and even visually demanding titles like Elden Ring and Hogwarts Legacy can be played at more than 60 FPS, providing a clear and responsive gaming experience. This ensures players get the visual clarity, fluid motion, and responsiveness they need in both casual and competitive environments. To complement its processing and graphical power, this system includes 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, allowing seamless multitasking and fast loading times. The generous SSD storage capacity, 1 TB, gives users ample room for game libraries, media files, applications, and productivity software, removing storage concerns and improving overall system responsiveness dramatically. Whether saving large media files or installing multiple heavy games, this PC ensures quick access and reliable performance. Connectivity is another highlight, equipped with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, multiple display outputs including HDMI, DisplayPort, and DVI, an RJ45 Ethernet port, and even a serial connection. These ports make the desktop compatible with a wide variety of peripherals and monitor setups, enhancing its appeal for gamers and professionals alike. Lastly, the customizable aesthetics of this gaming PC set it apart visually. With 5 RGB fans offering adjustable lighting effects, users can personalize their setup to match their room, mood, or theme, transforming their gaming station into a stunning, immersive environment. Altogether, this desktop provides remarkable power, flexibility, and style, an excellent investment for anyone seeking next-level computing performance. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.